Wake up and smoke an A so high, I thought this shit was lace. I told Mari up and I told sleepy ass boy just you like hit the block and sell a pound. Used to hate the kid, I'm over they little ass. Look at me now, they like 17, so now.
Alright, what's up boys? It's currently 1:58. I'm with the Red Star Yasma and a light B with the EVMX and the Socian.
And sagging skinny jeans with a belt.
I am sagging.
But literally, if you were black, you'd be the toughest alive.
Yo.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Yo, what's good? Philly bike life.
Billy bike
Hey,
life.
look at my Philly bike life.
That's badass. Literally wearing my friend's hoodie and shirt right now, and his underwear. So. And a bit of a small fit, but it's looking comfortable. We're on 95% right now. Oh shit, bro, this right kid's going crazy.
Yo, did you see my throttle in one hand?
No. Oh, he's gonna lose. Oh shit. Yeah, last time I snuck out on the road here, it was like literally it was like 2:33, and it took me and the film like Parker like so long to get a cop to chase us. Like we just had to blast the horns.
Baby, I'ma let you know what's up. I just really wanna fuck. Give it up, baby, can't get enough. Feel the rest when I'm busting the nut. Me and your bitch between the sheets, I can bang that. Have her running from the dick, she can't take that. Let me pop around the waist, take the skirt off.
Max, bro. That's badass. With the sick. Fucking badass. 18 or 21, I mean.
What do you say?
Nah, that shit. Do that, bro.
We should have brought the backpack.
Bro, we had a backpack full of fireworks.
Oh my gosh, that would get us some cops.
Yeah, that shit would be so. Yo, I just saw a car down there. I don't think that was a
We
cop.
left them at our house.
Wait, is that
You
Nick?
lost them at your crib? No, we left them. Oh, okay.
Some
I'm waiting for these firecrackers.
grandma type hits.
Oh yeah, what if you just
Grandma
chucks
type
them at
bangers.
us?
No, I don't know where you. I
It's
saw them.
definitely like a grenade. Wait, we should just ride up
Grenade
to the top.
out!
Wait, ride up to the top and throw them with them.
No. What if we get cornered in?
Yeah, what if you just fucking launch us up there?
Stay at the side. Stay on the end.
No, Rush, imagine you just.
We just stay down here.
No, I'm saying stay at like the end of the top.
Alright, fuck it.
Huh?
You like it clicks anyway.
Yeah. Oh, bro. I do. No. Where did bro come? Huh. Oh my, I missed it. I didn't even get on video. Oh, bro. Alright, you guys want to go get chased now?
Yeah.
Alright, see you, bro. Have a good night. That was a fucking badass. 29%. Just really hope my GoPro won't die if we do get chased.
Just honk hella.
Guys, we're not harming anybody, but FYI, we're not the kids ruining bike life. Okay, maybe a little bit, but like, this is also at 1 a.m.
Filled with Instagram hoes, got a boatload, got a K on the side of me is what they don't know. Yo boyfriend a fucking lame, he a bozo, like Santa Claus, what a god.
Alright, we just found a copper.
No, I'm not going.
I'm not going.
No, you really just do a wheelie pass.
And then run through. Max, go out, go left, and then come back around.
No, we have to go from the
Unless
other
he's
side.
following, and then we all go through the bridge.
We have to go from the other side because he's too far.
Look at it, bro.
Oh my, he just really passed.
What if the cops asleep? There's nobody in the car. What?
No one in the car.
Are you serious? The fucking cop car's on, but there's nobody in there.
I go look for yourself.
Alright, let's go.
Swear to God. Yeah, Sam.
Where would the cop be then? In there. There's a room. Do you not see that huge door?
Yeah, it's like. Wait.
We should dig our ditch it.
It's like some weird area. It makes that it looks so weird back there.
Rush, did you hit the door?
Oh yeah, I do see how much space there is. It do not touch the top. That's so weird.
I'm not gonna touch it. I was looking at it. It's so weird that there's no top.
A few moments later.
Max. That they just did a Yui. That might be a cop.
Did you give me a like?
That might be a cop that just did a Yui, Max.
That ass?
Yeah. Seconds.
Oh, that for sure is.
Yeah,
Nah, just go right.
Huh. Before he turns. Or dude, just don't even care.
I waved, he didn't wave back.
What the hell? Bro, just don't give a shit.
Niggas cap, on my Glock they match, my drugs in my match, I heard his whole gang stack.